If you're looking to save time, money, and effort, then I'm your boy. I offer a wide range of services to help you achieve your goals, from video, photo editing, marketing to website creation and copywriting. I've got you covered. So if you're ready to make your life a little easier, watch this. Hey there, I'm Eric Cawaling. You've probably checked my profile and that's why you're here. So allow me to share a few things about myself. I come from the Philippines and I have 11 years of experience in video, photo editing, 7 years in business, 6 years in marketing and advertising, 5 years in website creation, 2 years in application creation, copywriting, and in trading. Actually, my family has a shop and lighting company to provide street lights for several cities, which is probably why I was attracted to this line of work. I studied business administration with a focus on marketing management at Aklan State University, and this was great. I found marketing management particularly interesting. My first foray into e-commerce was with my own company, where I managed to earn around $2,000 in just 6 days. While this may be small for some people, it's an achievement for me. I used my tried and true strategy with my clients and it went great. I consider myself resourceful. Actually, I married Google and YouTube years ago because I wanted answers to certain questions and never stopped until I found those answers. Additionally, I'm committed to providing quality work output to all my clients. You're probably wondering what it's like working with me. Well, let me give you a little insight. I will help save 10 to 20 hours of your week, or roughly 40 to 80 hours per month, from video editing, preparing contents, and even copywriting. As a business owner, you want extra time to plan more strategies, right? Working with me can offer that extra time if that's what you need. If you're looking to increase your leads by 20%, I'm your boy. I've been applying strategies I learned from many online courses and have seen massive results on my own website. Outside work, I enjoy outdoor pursuits. I like tennis especially to help me get fit. I do vlogs as well. So if you're ready to save time and get rid of those boring tasks, message me soon.